Storm chasers, look for that tornado.
It's a very fast-moving complex of thunderstorms as well. I'm going to show it to you here on the Doppler radar.
Okay.
But we've had some gusty winds here around the Treasure Valley today, friends. All that associated with a big low that's hanging out across the northern part of the state. Here's where that line of thunderstorms is. Oklahoma City is located right up here in the upper left-hand portion of your screen. And what they're chasing is this thunderstorm cell right there. Classic. What we're seeing is just a very impressive hook echo that's developing on the tail end of that thunderstorm, and all that activity is rapidly moving from the southwest to the northeast. So outside right now, our weather is very benign, with the exception, of course, of the gusty winds that we have seen around the Treasure Valley, up to 40 miles per hour, but there's been a lot of sunshine mixed in there as well. Now, there have been a couple of passing showers here and there around some of the foothills and around some of the mountainous areas, and all this wind that we have here across the Treasure Valley is courtesy of this low that's spinning between Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. The wraparound moisture trying to generate some snow and also some rain for the higher elevations for the mountains, but for us here in the valley itself, this brown shaded area, this is a wind advisory that is in effect until 9 o'clock this evening for winds of 30 to 45 miles per hour. And you can imagine why that's happening. It's all that air that's funneling or rushing to meet the center of that low. 62 degrees has been the high temperature today, so for the first time in a long time, we're actually cooler than the average, courtesy of the northwest winds that we have seen. The average is now 70 degrees for this date, and the record is 92 degrees for this date, nowhere near that at all. So this area of low pressure that's spinning around is rapidly going to begin to move out of the area tomorrow. As it's pushed along by the jet stream, it's going to be driven into the northern and central plains. In its wake, an area of high pressure is going to be building in across much of the Great Basin and throughout the state of Idaho over the next few days. So we're going from this cooler than normal weather to all of a sudden we're going to be seeing lots of sunshine, and we're going to be seeing temperatures getting warmer and warmer each day, so that by Thursday and Friday, we're probably going to be seeing high temperatures approaching the mid-80s range. So that's all courtesy of the high that's going to start building in. Here goes the computer models through the morning. You can see the storm moving out of Idaho and pushing up into the state of Montana. Here's a very dry swath of air in the path of that storm or in the wake of that system. And looking ahead then towards Wednesday, very dry conditions in our temperatures. That's when we really start to warm things up, is right around the middle through the latter part of the week. So 68 degrees will be the high temperature tomorrow. Let's say still breezy conditions, especially in the morning, but the winds should begin to taper off gradually tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with highs by the end of the week approaching the low to mid-80s range. Another weak disturbance may generate a few showers late Saturday and a few showers possible on Sunday. We'll see how that plays out, but the mountains are going to be seeing temperature readings also approaching the 70s by the end of the week, with a chance of showers late Saturday and Sunday. But boy, what a gorgeous day we had for Mother's Day yesterday. It was really delightful.
Yeah, great to be
nice.
outdoors.
Yep.